Hello and welcome back to my final more report analysis video on Wednesday the 26th of October with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets. Moving on to gold, and we saw this strong candle yesterday. Now that I think is a really impressive move actually, considering the really big strong move that we saw on gold on the dollar yesterday. Certainly early on, when the dollar really started pulling high. Yes, it retraced into the close, but gold didn't retrace, and the fact is that gold was pulling higher amidst a stronger dollar. I think is really strong for the underlying outlook for gold. And now we're sort of starting to pull higher. We've sort of moved out above this 1273 initial resistance. 1277 was the reaction high that we saw post the big sharp sell-off. 1277, that is really being tested now on a sort of on both yesterday and today. If I can get the crosshair, there you go. 1277 is the key resistance now near term. If you break above that, you're sort of not really got any real resistance until the old breakdown level of 1300 area. So this potential recovery could well continue. Now you've got the momentum which continues to improve. MACD lines rising, RSI rising, stochastics rising and accelerating. RSI at 45 seems to be that sort of the corrective outlook seems to sort of rally towards the sort of mid 50s, maybe 60. So there is upside potential in this rally, I think. But I still would see this as a corrective move within perhaps more of a downtrend phase, or is it sort of more of a sideways trending market now? It's going to be difficult to say, I think, at the moment, because I think we need to see where this little rally sort of starts to peter out. If it peters out underneath 1300, I think that's bearish, and you'd start to sort of drop back down towards the sort of mid to 1200s again. But if you can continue a rally back above 1300, then maybe that's more of a neutral outlook within this sort of bigger sort of arguably consolidation phase. So there's different aspects to really think about with this rally, but at the moment we're rallying, and it seems to be that 1277 is your key resistance near term. If you can break out above that, then you're looking positive. Now you've got a band of support initially, sort of arguably I suppose 1272, 1273, 1274. Which is holding. 1272 to 1273 seems to be holding. These old highs in the last sort of few days break out above those, and they're holding as support. But you just rolled over a little bit, but it'll be interesting again to see where the support takes on this little corrective move. But you've got the uptrend in place now. You've got this little base pattern, which arguably above 1265, little base pattern which targets 1283. So there is still, I think, upside potential in this move, but little corrections are being bought into, and I like the underlying support near term for gold. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.